Okay, here's the spacer that you get, and the bolts look like this. You get nuts and washers. What I did was I jacked up the tractor just enough so I could spin the wheel. I didn't want to be too high off the ground, and that way I can turn the wheel enough to get the bolts through. Because you've got to spin it to where you've got enough clearance underneath to get the bolt through, because they're so long. There's no instructions that came with it, but it's really pretty simple. So once I get that on, those on, then I'll put this on and bring the other tire up tight against it, and it'll take a little fiddling with it, but eventually you get them through and bolt it up. I'm not sure what torque. I'm not going to put them too tight. It looks like most of the load is going to be taken by the spacer. The bolts just fit into the holes for the wheel weights, and the new wheel will just fit up like that, and you just bolt it on. Okay, so here's the bolts. Just got to be tightened down evenly, and one of the tougher things is just making sure that the spacer is perfectly lined up where it's supposed to be in the rim. And I'm not sure, I gotta check on how tight to torque these things, but once I tighten them down, we're up and running. I got the other one on.